and some data has been given. As per the draft rule which is going to be published by tomorrow, we are having 21,86,151 voters, and in this one there are 10,81,006 male voters, 11,05,142 female voters, and 3 third gender voters, and total service voters we have 3,848. So till date 100% EPIC has been distributed, and EP ratio as on 5th January 23 is 645, and gender ratio in Meghalaya in electoral roll is 1022. So we have 3,482 polling stations. So after rationalization during the pre-revision activities, there are 32 new polling stations have been proposed, and 2 polling stations have been merged. So total number of the polling stations as on 27th October, it will be 3,512 right now. So there are 5 type of forms for the claim and objection. So for new voters, they have to apply in form 6. That is very important. And for the inclusion of name in electoral roll by an overseas Indian elector, they have to apply in form 6A. And letter of information of Aadhaar number for the purpose of electoral roll authentication, then form will be 6B form will be used for that purpose. And for that objection for proposed inclusion or deletion of the name in the existing electoral roll, especially it is known as for the deletion, so form 7 will be used. And for the shifting of residence, correction of entries in existing electoral roll, and replacement of EPIC, marking of PWD, etc. So form 8 will be used for that purpose. So anybody who is going to have 18 year or age, or they want any correction or deletion in the electoral roll, so there are online and offline, both modes are available. In online mode, there is a voter portal of ECI. So anybody online open the portal and apply in that, and its link is http://voters.eci.gov.in, or our Meghalaya CEO's website is also there, through which any claim and objection can be filed. So its link is http://ceomeghalaya.nic.in, or there is an app also has been developed by ECI. That app is Voter Helpline mobile app. So through this Voter Helpline app, anybody can file claim, objection, or any queries related to electoral roll.